Welcome to Valkyrie Simple Finance. Understanding before investing. Debt isn't always bad, but misunderstanding debt is one of the fastest ways to lose control of your money. Some people say all debt is evil. Others say debt is how you get ahead. Both are incomplete. Debt is borrowed money that pulls future income into the present. The real cost is time and interest. Not all debt behaves the same. It falls into three broad categories: good debt, bad debt, and dangerous debt. Good debt usually helps you increase income or build long-term value. It's structured, it's planned, and it fits your budget. Bad debt doesn't build value. It funds consumption and fades quickly, but it's usually manageable if controlled. Dangerous debt grows fast and offers nothing in return. High interest, minimum payments, no clear end. This is where people lose years. Interest determines who benefits from the debt. Low interest buys time. High interest removes options. Most people make the same mistakes. They focus on monthly payments. They ignore interest rates, and they treat debt as normal. Budgeting creates control. Emergency funds create safety. Debt management prevents backsliding. Once debt is under control, saving and investing finally work. Here's the rule. If debt limits your future choices, it's a problem, no matter what it bought. Debt is a tool. Used carefully, it can help. Used casually, it compounds damage. Understanding the difference is what matters. In the next video, we'll look at credit cards, how they really work, and why banks love them.